Hi, fourth graders. Okay, so I realized that some people, sorry for the 9 a.m. friends on Thursday, numbers 1 through 11. I tried to access our Google chat, but what I clicked on said no one was there. So I was like, I thought you guys all blew me off, which wasn't the case. Our links just must have gotten mixed up and I can't find you. So we're gonna try again, but this is gonna be for everybody. Instead of a link, we are gonna create our own code that whenever you type in this code, it's going to access the classroom chat. Okay, so the code is very simple. It's gonna be 4D and the word meet, M-E-E-T, no spaces. Okay, so our new code is gonna be 4D meet. So I'm gonna show you in this video how to get to that and how to access that very simply. So you'll go to your apps right here, okay? You will go to Google Meet, because that's what we're gonna do, all right? When it says join or start a meeting, that's what you're gonna click on. See, I have the Meet. I know it says 11:30 because I thought we were gonna try it again, but it's just not working. I don't know what happened. So you're gonna join or start a meet, and the nickname or like the meeting name is gonna be 4D Meet. Okay? Please type it in like that. I'm not sure if caps will do anything. And then you're gonna click continue. And that should have us all in the meeting together. Okay, see right now, no one's there, it's just me. Okay, but you'll say ready to join, you click join now. And hopefully we'll all be there. Okay, so I'm gonna post this video. Why don't you try it, numbers 1 through 11, and see if we can get back there by 10 o'clock. For everybody else who's gonna be joining tomorrow or any other time, this is how you are going to join the Google Meets from now on, okay? This is going to be posted on our announcements for Google Classroom, and I'll see you soon, hopefully. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay, bye.